Why I love my family. I love my family very much because they always support and take care of me. My parents work hard to give us a happy life. My grandparents share their wisdom and love. And my sister brings joy and laughter to our home, makes our pet dog is always there to cheer us up. Every evening, we have dinner together and talk about our day. On weekends, we enjoy going to the park, playing games, and watch movies together. My family is my greatest treasure, and I am so grateful for them.